cut my own hair. I know, it's crazy. I am about to go and get my hair done. My natural hair done. Now, my own hair is extremely hard to manage, and the ends are still permed, whatever. So I haven't touched this hair, had it professionally touched or anything in years. So I'm gonna go. Look at these ends. They want to die. They want to go. Everything wants to go. So I'm gonna go, and I'm going to talk to them and see what we can do to make it curly, manageable. Oh, sorry. So we're gonna go see what we can do, because it is not manageable right now. I just took it out of my cornrows. I've been wearing a wig, and I just took it out. I don't love shrinkage. I know everybody loves shrinkage, but I'm like, what? I just don't really enjoy doing it. You know, I don't enjoy how hard it is to do, and then when it's done, how hard it is for it to look nice throughout the day. Because from some angles, this will look nice. I'll pick it out, it'll look nice, and then other angles, it looks crazy as hell. I don't want those problems. So, I'm gonna get it done. I'm like so excited to see how it's gonna look. I'm really nervous though, but let's see. We're here. It's raining outside. Perfect day to do this.
You're the prince.
I'm nervous.
I'm the smoke. You're the cigar.
Don't mind me.
I'm the drink.
Just out here looking like an ornament.
You're the bar.
You guys, I can't believe I have hair. I did not know I had hair. I'm so excited. This is going great.
I'm the blunt, you're the queen. I'm the queen, you're the king.
Hey, grandbabies, it's me. I love you. It's me, Auntie. Auntie Grandma.
Baby, come on, baby, come on, baby.
Girl, I haven't seen it yet. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it actually came out. How cute are they? Oh my gosh. And this is my ends are permed, and I cannot believe that it still took.
I'm gonna cut your ends a little bit.
Okay. Oh.
They just did. That's all.
I mean, they're hella dead. Can we cut in a cute little style?
Yeah.
Give me like a little, like, I don't know, a little bob. So this is my hair, guys. It's wet. Oh my gosh. Like, who do I think I am? I cannot wait to show you guys what it looks like fluffed up. We did a nice little even cut. Little singer, she gave me a cute little curly bob. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. Okay. Okay, bye.
You're the bar, you're the